Arteasy mantra tutorial. Let us learn how to draw a beautiful Pattachitra art today. First, we have to make our border area. Now I am just marking only, so we can see what is the center part of our canvas. Here, this is the center line. So in the center line, we are going to build our beautiful sketch. First, I am marking one arc like this, and here we need to draw two straight lines. So this is the basic sketch, and this area we will fill with the design later, and all the composition will come like one rectangle this way. So here I am starting my simple sketching method. Two rectangles, and let us build our design in those basic shape. It is like a flag design. And two horizontal lines. In this we are making two curves this way. The same design we can do here as well. If we going for detail, let us draw something like one sun, and here let us make some designs like stars. Here we are going to draw a beautiful swan. And its wings like this. While we making a drawing, we have to make some pattern and designs for making our drawing more narrative, more attractive with the viewers. So let us make some simple pattern only. So for even beginners can do this, and after let us try its beautiful eye. Here we need to give a lot of dots like this after we finished our color wash. Here we can give some jewelry designs like this. And we drawing water waves. This art is entirely different than mural art, because mural art is pakka temple art. So we have no choice to draw something like simply with freehand style. I am always telling that, because if my participant of Kerala mural painting, if they are watching, they don't need it to show to draw like this. Don't do, because that is temple art. We have to give more attention with its designs and patterns. So this one is the simple sketch. You can try. Thank you.